In 2017, the OMG network was launching with the aim of providing faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. As part of the initial distribution strategy, OMG decided to do a massive airdrop of its tokens to Ethereum holders. Many people were skeptical of the airdrop at first, but those who decided to participate were pleasantly surprised by the results. The value of OMG tokens skyrocketed in the months that followed, with some early adopters earning up to 2,000% returns on their initial investment. The success story not only helped put OMG on the map as a major player in the cryptocurrency world, but it also showed the potential power of airdrops in driving adoption and new interest in crypto projects. And that is why in this video, we're going to reveal 4 of the most promising cryptocurrency airdrops that you don't want to miss out on. So if you're looking to potentially cash in on the next big thing in crypto, then stay tuned. First airdrop that I'm going to share with you today is on Satoshi Chain. Now, Satoshi Chain is a new chain, up-and-coming chain that's launching, and they currently have an airdrop for people that are willing to use the beta before they go onto mainnet. I'm going to drop a link below this video directly to satoshichain.net so you don't go to the wrong website. Satoshi Chain is an EVM compatible blockchain that aims to complement the original Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Satoshi Chain enhances Bitcoin to bring decentralized finance applications like NFT, games, and dApps to the Bitcoin community. Unfortunately, Bitcoin can't support any of these, so Satoshi Chain is here to fix that. Satoshi Chain utilizes Satoshi currency. A single unit of Bitcoin is a Satoshi, and these are going to be equivalent and always equivalent to a single unit of Bitcoin. So if you want to swap them over to the Bitcoin chain, for every 1 Satoshi that you have on Satoshi Chain, you're going to get 1 Satoshi over on the Bitcoin network. So how do you participate in this airdrop? Well, basically the airdrop is to incentivize testnet users. And they do have a page on the things that you need to do. So to qualify for the airdrop, you join the Telegram group, the Discord server, and follow on Twitter. But here's the bigger part. It's about testing the network. So you need to connect to the testnet, and it gives details on how you can connect to the testnet. And you can use MetaMask for this. It's really, really simple. Then you got to request a few free stats. Now, they're only testnet stats, but you go ahead and you request a few of these. Then what you can do is trade these assets and liquidity and test the different functionalities on the exchange. If you're a developer, you can develop dApps, smart contracts, and add new protocols to the ecosystem. And if you can identify and report bugs or security flaws to the Satoshi chain. So that's all you have to do. Again, as I said, they are in testnet, and when they go into mainnet, you will get an airdrop if you've carried out these tasks. Now, they haven't detailed the full airdrop yet at the moment and the specifics of how much is going to be airdropped. But if you carry out these tasks, you've greatly improved your chance of cashing in on this airdrop. The next airdrop that I'm going to talk about is an airdrop that's been done by Cody. Now, Cody is a Layer 1 enterprise blockchain, and they're responsible for JED, the stable coin that was released on Cardano this year. Now, what Cody are doing is they're releasing a governance token, a second token. And a lot of this second token is actually going to be airdropped. So the total supply of the token that they're airdropping is 1 billion tokens, and the community is getting 52%, development 18%, and reserves are getting 30%. So how can you get them? Well, the initial airdrop of 10% of the G-Cody, the governance token supply, will take place in the coming weeks. This airdrop will be to the wider Cody ecosystem, treasury depositors, launch campaign promoters, and ERC20 token holders. Then over time, another 42% is going to go for treasury rewards. So if you're involved in the treasury, well, then you can get another 42% of the airdrop that is available. Now, it did say to reward long-term holders. We see here members that lock their Cody for a long period of time. So you can lock your Cody in for a number of days, up to 120 days, and you may increase your chance of getting that airdrop. Also, then later on, if you continue to be involved in the treasury of Cody, you'll be able to be included in the treasury rewards of 42%. So that's the second airdrop. Now, these airdrops are guaranteed, and hopefully they're going to make you quite a nice sum of money. Now, if you're liking this video and you want to learn more about Bitcoin and crypto, do hit that subscribe button and smash that like button so other people can find this video. The next airdrop, airdrop number 3 that I'm going to share with you, is the Phi Network. And this is preparing for launch. Now, what they're doing is a social earning opportunity where you can sign up and that you can collect social points. And from these social points, you can then earn some of their airdrop tokens. Now, what is the Phi Network? Well, the Phi Network are launching 3 projects. They're launching FinGate, FinPay, and Leverage. So what are each of these? Well, FinGate is going to be a social exchange. FinPay is going to be a fiat crypto on-ramp. And Leverage is going to give you the opportunity to yield farm at a leveraged rate. So what do you need to do to take part in this airdrop? Well, first of all, you need to log in. You need to sign up and log in with your email. Then you need to connect your Twitter account, and you also need to connect your Telegram account. It says here that collecting points via social engagement, like and retweet our posts, and remain active in our official Telegram channels, plus our partners' Telegram and Twitter channels. Upon launch, you're going to receive a token share relative to the social point gathering that you have. And you can unlock double points if you're active on all partner projects. Now, the partner projects are these 3 projects that I mentioned: FinGate, FinPay, and Leverage. And then 33% of the tokens earned can be claimed on the Phi Network's 3 platforms following the launch. So once it's launched, you'll be then able to claim your tokens. Now, this is an easy one to actually get involved in. All you have to do is be active on social, like and follow their tweets, and be active in their Telegram channel. They also then have a bit of an affiliate type thing going on. And my link is below. I'd really appreciate if you used my link to sign up for this, because anybody that shares a link and then the link is used, they get extra social points. And I'd really appreciate the extra social points for you so I can get more of this Phi Network airdrop. Now, the fourth and the final airdrop that we're going to talk about today is on Flare. And Flare is an EVM-based Layer 1 blockchain for building applications that use decentralized data from other chains on the network. Now, an initial Flare airdrop was done to XRP holders, but the initial airdrop that was to be done was to be a staged airdrop, where the initial airdrop was done was only 15%, and then the balance of the airdrop was to be phased out over time, was to be given out over time again to the XRP holders. However, they've had a change of plan. They had a community vote, and that's now actually changed. And in order to get the remainder of the Flare airdrop, you need to have your Flare tokens on the Flare network, and you need to have them held in wrapped Flare. You need to have them held in wrapped Flare for 23 days before each claim. So what's going to happen is there are a number of claims happening. You can see here that there is quite a lot of Flare drops happening, 36 of them. And for the 36, you can take part in this at any stage, because let's start at day 1. So for the first one is March 17, 2023, which is today when this video is being launched. But to be involved in the next one, you must have tokens in wrapped Flare by the 8th of the month. Between the 8th and the 29th of the month, they're going to take 3 random snapshots, and they're going to get the average value of Flare that you hold. And based on that average value will depend then on the amount of airdrop that you get. On the 30th of the month, the Flare airdrop will become claimable. Now, here's the thing, you do have to claim it. And any airdrop that's not claimed within 90 days from the airdrop happening are going to actually be burnt. Now, why is this really good? Well, plenty of the Flare people, Flare airdrop holders that got the initial Flare airdrop aren't actually aware of this and are still holding their Flare in an exchange or on a wallet. They haven't wrapped it. So there's a limited number of people actually involved in this Flare airdrop at the moment. And we can see that we've got 36 right up to January 30th, 2026. So we've got 36 monthly airdrops that we can get involved in here on the Flare network by just holding Flare tokens in a wrapped Flare version. Now, if all of this wasn't enough for you to take on, I do have another video that you should really watch, and that's 5 crypto mistakes that you should avoid, because people are losing crypto left, right, and center by just making mistakes. So click on this video on the screen now to find out more.